What are the true costs of building fire code compliance? Imagine building a structure that not only looks good but also keeps everyone safe from fire hazards. That's where building fire codes come into play. They set the rules for fire safety in new and existing buildings. But following these rules comes with costs that go beyond just paying for fire alarms or sprinklers. First, there are the initial expenses. Installing fire safety systems like sprinkler systems, which can cost between $5 and $10 per square foot, are a big part of the budget. Fire alarms and smoke detectors also add up, especially in larger buildings. Older buildings often need extra work to meet current standards. For example, retrofitting a building built before the 1970s might require structural changes, which can cost thousands of dollars and take weeks or even months to complete. Then there are the ongoing costs. Fire safety systems need regular inspections and maintenance. Sprinkler heads must be checked annually, fire alarms tested every 6 months, and emergency lighting checked quarterly. These routine checks can cost hundreds of dollars each year. If a fire alarm system fails during an emergency, the consequences can be severe, so keeping these systems in top shape is essential. Building owners also pay fees for plan reviews and permits. Local fire departments review building plans to ensure they meet fire safety codes, which can cost from a few hundred to several $1,000s depending on the size and complexity of the project. During construction or upgrades, inspections are required at various stages, adding more costs and time. Legal and administrative costs are another factor. Navigating fire safety regulations often involves hiring engineers, architects, and contractors familiar with fire codes. Mistakes or delays can lead to fines or legal issues. Some municipalities allow property owners to invest in fire safety upgrades instead of paying fines, which can be a smarter move for safety. Operational impacts are also part of the picture. Installing fire safety measures might mean temporary closures or restricted access during work. This can affect businesses financially, but it's a small price for safety. Plus, well-maintained fire systems can reduce fire damage and insurance costs over time, saving money in the long run. For small businesses and older buildings, these costs can be especially challenging. Upgrading an older building to meet current fire codes might require significant investment, sometimes running into tens of thousands of dollars. This can delay compliance and increase risks for everyone involved. In the end, building fire code compliance is a big investment. It involves upfront costs for installation, ongoing expenses for maintenance, and operational adjustments. But from the perspective of firefighters and the community, these costs are worth it. They help protect lives, reduce fire damage, and make emergency responses more effective. It's all about creating safer places for everyone to live, work, and visit.